Yo, what's up? This is Famia. Welcome back after years, after God knows how long. Welcome back to the YouTube channel iKryptiic. I'm back. I don't know how long for. I am making no promises. I might disappear after like 2 months, who knows. Today we're going to be going and doing something to the car. Why the hell is that headrest up? Anyways, ignore that headrest up. But today we're going to be installing a spoiler, SRI spoiler onto the Corsa. Basically, this is an SXI model. It doesn't come with a spoiler, but the spoiler makes a massive difference. I'll be transparent with the figures. Basically, I paid £75 for the entire tailgate of an SRI, so tinted back rear thingy glass as well. Went and bought that from Stoke-on-Trent. I couldn't get just a spoiler itself because I didn't have the holes on my current tailgate to screw that on. Yeah. I don't want to just glue it on because obviously it's a spoiler. So we bought the tailgate, swapping the tailgate and selling my old tailgate. I still got that for sale, no one's buying it. So if anyone wants to buy it, and honestly it looks sick. So in this video you're going to be seeing the installation of that. I've done like a tutorial kind of thing, so if you don't want to see how to install it, just skip ahead. I'll write timestamp here. But so yeah, without further ado, let's get on to this video. It's been long awaited, yeah, but yeah, let's get on with the video. The old spoiler, you can tell it's quite looks crap. It's like round, doesn't stick out much. But this one sticks out quite a lot, so hopefully it looks good. But yeah, this one's quite dirty, so we're gonna have to get that clean. You can see all the feathers. And you're gonna give that a wipe now. Spoiler part is part of this tailgate on mine, so the metal continues there. So I'm going to take this entire tailgate off, lose the badge. Got a new different badge over there. There's these bolts here, that and that one. And first I'm going to take these off, the gas struts. And then there's a little wire, so this is going to be the hard bit to find out where that wire goes. Inside there somehow, getting that open and then clipping it onto that one. So firstly I'm going to do the wiring, so just so when I take that off the boot's going to fall. So I need to open this up. After 10 minutes of trying to figure out how to take this bit off, I just realised there's no screws or anything, so it just pops off. So you work your hands around this, which I've already done, the seal, passenger side door there, and then just pop, and the top should pop off. There you go, sound like a broke something. Not, there we go, and it just clips there and there. Yeah. So you got to pull that up to release that, and then you pull this out, so just so you don't break it. And this black bit here is just for the washer fluid, so at the back window just the washer fluid goes through that, so that should just pull off. Now up there, this is attached to the metalwork there by a little clip. It's quite hard if you pull it from the bottom, so what you need to do is like your finger up there, get a grip on both the sides on the plastic, and then pull, and it should just pop out. And then now you can just feed, there's a hole there, push it up. There you go, and that should pop straight out of there. Right, so on the struts there's a little part over here. Put the flathead into that, and this should just pop off. I'm just going to cover it so it doesn't fall off in here. There you go, just a little clip. You could have lost an eye there, so be careful, very careful with that. Just keep it covered. There we go. So how that works is just that goes onto that ball bit there, and the clip is what grips it on. So yeah, I'd say keep your hands over it when you're taking off the clip, or keep something around it just so it doesn't fling out. Right, so over here it looks quite dirty, but there's a little circle clip there. I have to hammer that off the edge like that, and then that bolt, just hammer it back out. So that popped off quite easily. Just took the clips out and then hammered it out. There's the new one. It's raining. Right, so just a quick tip, when you're putting these on, So that clip there, if you've taken that off when you're taking it off, that's fine. But basically when you're putting it back on, you see the slit there from the top. Instead of stretching, you find it hard to stretch the clip and put it on like that. So you stretch it a tiny bit, slide it into that slit there, and the slit on this side as well. Slide it in and then push it down instead of just trying to stretch it and put it on. Alright, that's it. I just fed that through, push that plastic clip in, and then plug that in. Just give that a good push. It should be in. And this little airbag thing, I don't know why I took that out. Slot that back in. And now I can just go around the edge with the flathead screwdriver and just make sure everything's connected. Right, and now for the final reveal. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then smash the like button. If you didn't like it, then dislike. Basically with these videos there's like tons coming, like so many things that I've done to the car, like the lights. Can't see that. Can't even see the back ones. Alright, fucking. Oh, there. They were doing the white LED lights, done the dashboard, put a shark fin on top, gonna get sun strip, done the alloys, whatever else have you done. Putting new pedals on them, limited edition ones, VXR ones. There's like a good about 7 videos that I've pre-planned already. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for that. If you've got any other ideas, let me know in the comments below and I'll have a go at them. Let me know what style of video you like as well after you see the next few. Whether you like a tutorial one or whether you like one that I just show you what's before, what's after, and not the bits in between. We'll be back soon, very soon, with another video and it's going to be sick. Trust me, the next video is going to be so sick. Peace. Right, so after about 10 minutes of trying to touch all this and get it all out, that sounds wrong, delete that.